The Ninja SFP701 Combi all-in-one multi-cooker is a versatile kitchen appliance that can be used for a variety of tasks, including cooking, baking, steaming, and air frying. It is a great option for busy families or anyone who wants to save time and space in the kitchen. 14-in-1 functionality. The Ninja Combi can be used to cook a variety of dishes, including meals, sides, desserts, and snacks. Combi Meals function. This function cooks your protein, vegetables, and grains all at the same time, so you can have a complete meal on the table in minutes. Combi Crisp function. This function combines the power of steam and air frying to create crispy, golden brown results. Air Fry function. This function uses hot air to cook food quickly and evenly, without added oil. Bake function. This function uses radiant heat to cook food evenly, whether you're baking a cake or roasting vegetables. Steam function. This function uses steam to cook food gently and preserve nutrients. Slow Cook function. This function cooks food slowly over a long period of time, resulting in tender, flavorful results. Sauté function. This function uses heat to cook food quickly, without oil. The Ninja Combi performs well in all areas. The Combi Meals function is a great way to save time and energy, and the Combi Crisp function produces excellent results. The Air Fry function is also easy to use and produces crispy, golden brown results. The Bake function is also reliable and produces evenly cooked results. The Steam function is a great way to cook healthy, nutritious meals. The Slow Cook function is also reliable and produces tender, flavorful results. The Sauté function is a great way to brown meat or vegetables quickly. Pros: 14-in-1 functionality. The Ninja Combi can be used for a variety of tasks, making it a versatile kitchen appliance. Combi Meals function. This function is a great way to save time and energy. Combi Crisp function. This function produces excellent results. Air Fry function. This function is easy to use and produces crispy, golden brown results. Bake function. This function is reliable and produces evenly cooked results. Steam function. This function is a great way to cook healthy, nutritious meals. Slow Cook function. This function is reliable and produces tender, flavorful results. Sauté function. This function is a great way to brown meat or vegetables quickly. Cons: can be bulky. The Ninja Combi is a large appliance, so it may not be ideal for small kitchens. Can be expensive. The Ninja Combi is a more expensive option than some other multi-cookers. The Ninja SFP701 Combi all-in-one multi-cooker is a great option for busy families or anyone who wants to save time and space in the kitchen. It is a versatile appliance that can be used for a variety of tasks, and it produces excellent results. Get it with a discount on Amazon, link in the description.